Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 50, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have your screen recording visible, and for me it is on the second page. Now once you see yours, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up this quick option panel with the ability for you to change what kind of sound will be recorded. So you have device audio, microphone, both, and obviously if it's turned off, you're not going to be recording anything in terms of sound. Now below that we have show touches on screen, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. It will record a semi-transparent gray dot on a screen that mimics where your finger was pressing the display. From there we can select start, and this will begin a 3-second countdown and then begin a recording. You can also see a countdown right here and also a stop option. So with that in mind, you can basically now open up applications and record things. Once you're done, like I said, you can interact with this little button right here. This will stop the recording and it will automatically save it to your Photos application. And here you can navigate to a library and you'll find an album called Screenshots. Or, well, actually not screenshots, movies. There we go. So it's in the movies folder, unfortunately, which will get mixed up with also, I presume, videos that you will capture with the device and just any kind of video content. But here you go, you can kind of see right now the actual screen recorder. For some odd reason, when recording, it also keeps the little overlay visible on the recording, which is not a thing that you see on almost any other device. But in any case, one more thing that I'm going to add, for like information, you won't be able to always record everything with the screen recorder. You might sometimes encounter a fully black screen where whenever you open up some kind of application, that application can implement basically kind of security measure that blocks any kind of screen recording or screenshot ability. And it's primarily done for your security and privacy, but let's be honest, most applications that utilize this use this for their own monetary gain, like Netflix. They don't give a shit about your privacy or security. If they did, they wouldn't be utilizing this without your permission or any kind of terms of use that you haven't agreed to just yet. Because that's basically how it ends up. Your device comes with a Netflix, try to record it, you haven't even logged in, you haven't agreed to download the application, it's just on your device, and they automatically utilize something that blocks functionality of your device, which you never give it any kind of explicit permission to do so. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.